Make everyday life comfortable. This channel will share practical trivia that helps improve your daily life. You might miss out if you skip them, so be sure to subscribe to the channel. The moment you finally crawl into bed at night, you hear that annoying buzzing right next to your ear, and you become certain that a mosquito is somewhere in your room. But when you turn on the light to look for it, you somehow can't find it. Are you spending hopeless nights fearing when you'll be bitten again, wondering if you have to sleep like this every night? In fact, even if the mosquito is in the same room, simply by combining some unexpected items you already have at home without using any insecticide, you can safely eliminate mosquitoes and build a perfect defense that keeps them from ever coming near you again. Today, while explaining common NG actions many people tend to do, we will go through the mechanism mosquitoes use to detect humans and how to reverse it to completely repel them without insecticide and prevent them from disturbing your sleep ever again. First, why are mosquitoes able to fly accurately around our faces and suck our blood even in complete darkness? The reason is that mosquitoes have highly advanced sensors that allow them to locate humans, their prey. Female mosquitoes seek blood in order to lay eggs. And to find their target, they analyze three main signals: carbon dioxide, body heat, and the smell of sweat. By combining these pieces of information, they approach us. So how can we disable their highly precise sensors and eliminate them from the room? We will first cover the NG behaviors people mistakenly perform, and then explain the correct mosquito elimination strategies that even professionals use. The first NG behavior you must never do is completely hiding yourself inside the blanket. At first glance, it seems like the safest option, but it has the opposite effect. When you curl up inside the blanket, the temperature and humidity rise, and the carbon dioxide you exhale accumulates inside. As a result, the small amount of air leaking through gaps in the blanket sends an even stronger signal to mosquitoes that the perfect prey is right here. So, what is the correct method of elimination? It is to use the power of science and physics to safely capture and eliminate mosquitoes, and at the same time build a mechanism to drive them out of the room. First is a trap that automatically eliminates any mosquito hiding somewhere in the room while you sleep. The first unexpected item you will use is liquid soap, hand soap, or body soap that every household has. Fill a wash basin or a slightly deep dish with water. Add 1 or 2 pumps of liquid soap and gently mix it. That is all it becomes the strongest mosquito trap. Place this soapy water overnight in a dim, low-lying corner of the room. What happens? After sucking blood, female mosquitoes always search for water, because their larvae wigglers can survive only in water. The mosquitoes hiding in the room mistakenly assume the container of soapy water is the perfect egg-laying site. However, the surfactants in the soap completely break the surface tension of the water. When mosquitoes try to land on the surface to lay eggs, they lose their footing and fall into the water, becoming unable to escape. Since it uses no insecticide, It is a highly effective and scientifically based trap that you can safely place, even in bedrooms or children's rooms. Once the trap is set, the next step is to prevent mosquitoes from approaching you at all. This is the second unexpected point, an amazing sleep barrier using orange or lemon peel. Mosquitoes strongly dislike limonene, the aromatic compound found in citrus peels. Keep several peels from oranges or lemons used for dinner or dessert. Before going to bed, twist or gently rub the peel with your fingers to release the aroma. Then place the peels near your pillow or bedside. Alternatively, you can dry the peels, put them in a tea bag, and hang them by your pillow for longer-lasting effect. For humans, the scent is refreshing and pleasant for mosquitoes. It becomes a strong barrier, preventing them from flying around your face during sleep. This works as a completely natural repellent with no chemicals, so it can be used safely. Next is a method that physically disables a mosquito's ability to attack, which is also highly effective. This is the third unexpected point using a fan. Mosquitoes are extremely light and not very strong flyers. With even a gentle breeze of about 1 meter per second, can no longer fly properly. Set a fan on low, with oscillation, allowing air to circulate gently throughout the room. This mild airflow feels like a storm to mosquitoes, making it difficult for them even to approach their target you. At the same time, the airflow disperses the carbon dioxide you exhale, making it harder for mosquitoes to locate you. However, some people may want an even stronger protective barrier. For such cases, here is the fourth unexpected point. Using garlic as a final measure. Crack the garlic bulb, peel it, and lightly crush it with the side of a knife or cut it in half. Place the garlic on a small dish and set it by your bedside, in a corner of the room, or near windows where mosquitoes might enter. The strong odor compound released when garlic is crushed aliin is known since ancient times to have powerful insect-repelling properties. There is even a theory that the legend of Dracula disliking garlic originated from the fact that its smell repelled blood-sucking creatures. This strong barrier prevents mosquitoes from staying in the room at all, forcing them to escape outdoors. Now, let's recap. Even if you had given up on sleeping peacefully because of mosquitoes in your room, once you understand these scientific techniques, they are no longer something to fear. Here is today's summary in 4 key phrases. 1. Set a trap. Place soapy water in the corner of the room to safely capture egg-laying mosquitoes. 2. Build a barrier. Place citrus peels near your pillow to protect your face with natural fragrance. 3. Blow them away. Circulate air with a fan to create a physical barrier that mosquitoes cannot cross. 4. Drive them out. Place garlic in the room so its strong odor repels mosquitoes and forces them to leave. With this fortress-like defense, mosquitoes will no longer disturb your sleep. You can regain quiet and restful nights not by fighting with force, but by cleverly avoiding mosquito attacks through scientific methods. Thank you for watching to the end. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.